Hello, I'm Spencer, and let me quickly walk you through the main feature menus in Coomia DataGPT. First, let me navigate to Ask Data. This is a model where you analyze data using natural language. You can ask questions here, such as top 5 cities by sales volume. You can ask business questions, and the GPT will generate charts automatically, and you can save them as dashboards that you can visit or view in full screen. Okay, here we can add more charts. The charts does not show, so we cancel it. Okay, this question is done, and it generated a dataset, one chart, 3-point matrix here. We can save it as a dashboard. Let's name it to top 5 cities by sales volume. Oops. Does it done? First cities with sales. Okay, saved successfully. Okay, here's what we saved previous. We can reopen it, and we can see it with full screen. Okay, now let's navigate to the developer tools functionality here. Here is AI SQL. AI SQL is a SQL helper. This model is designed for users who want more control. You can ask questions in natural language, such as list tables or anything you want. We can ask some questions like best selling products. That's a products. Top 5, okay. This question gonna generate the SQL up here. Let's wait a moment. Okay, you can see this question is done, and the SQL is here. We can run it to preview the data here. If the dataset satisfy your requirement, you can save it as a API, RESTful API. Let's name it to top 5 best selling products. And let's publish it as a RESTful API. Here is RESTful API here. Okay. The RESTful API, we can say it's all here. Top 5 best selling products. we can say the API, we can copy this API. We can open the docs here. Okay, docs here, and it requires the app key and the app key secret. Okay, let's navigate to data transformation in model. This model is used to transform data using Trino, and DataGPT gonna generate the transformation cycle, create new analytical tables, and let you preview the result. And also you can publish them as APIs. Let's ask some questions in Chinese, okay? 销售额最高的10个产品。That means the sales value the best selling products, top 10. Here you can see the target table is generated. It names with prefix with ClickHouse as the catalog in Trino and schema or list. And the table name is this one. We can select it, run SQL. Okay, so you can see this this table here. It just worked good. You don't see the tables here, so you can refresh this menu here, and you will see that table. Auto top product sales. Okay, this table is just what we generated before. If the dataset satisfy your requirement, you can also publish this dataset as an API, as a RESTful API. Okay, so let's navigate to the next model, data quantity. Data quantity model helps you understand how reliable your data is. You can run automated data quality checks based on built-in rules and quickly identify missing, such as let's take an example. I want to ask some questions like, how is the quantity of orders table? Let's wait a moment. It takes a long time. Let's take a look. Okay. The quantity scans is done. Here is a report here. You've got low issues. And this says that the quantity is good. It's clean. It's a clean table. Okay. So the next model is RESTful APIs. The RESTful APIs here is what we saved previously. And we can see the SQL here. And the RESTful API just holds the SQL's results. And here is the AP apps here. In this functionality, we can create an app, and we can add the relationship of the app and the APIs. We can choose the top 5 best selling products and this API here, and we can save. So we get the app key and secrets, and we can just using follow the documents, follow the codes example here to use. Okay, so all of this menus and these functionalities is what Coomia DataGPT does. Just enjoy it. Thank you.